Hi, Morgan. I'm going to run through your homework. So let's start off here with number one. Looks like you have the poisoning first. Double check your sixth character. It should be a one. So I don't know if you're putting maybe undetermined. But we're going to go with accidental, unintentional. So let's also B20 is good, but you also need to code the signs and symptoms. We have gait, nausea with vomiting, and let's go on then to number three. Okay, so remember, okay, so this is an allergic reaction. Whenever you have an allergic reaction, you need to code what is wrong with the patient first. So here it's the allergic urticaria, allergic to, that is what's going on, and then you use your T code for reverse effect. So also we have an excision code for number three. Number five should be B20 HIVs first. So our T code, and you're off on the T code too. So these are adverse effects. So when it's an adverse effect, which this one is, make sure you read through these. The adverse effect of B20s first, and other signs or symptoms or diagnosis that is wrong with the patient. And then we have the T code, and then we have our procedure code. 7. Okay, you did put all the T codes first, which is good. Just double check to make sure you're on the right area with them. You need the respiratory failure, comes after the poisoning code, which is good. Number 9. Okay, once again, whatever is wrong with the patient comes first. The adverse effect comes second. So number 9, you need the nausea with vomiting first. Number 11, same thing. Just so you know, please, I hope you listen to this, listen to it twice, okay? Sequencing is huge on the test. So once again, if it is an adverse effect, this one is for number 11, you always code whatever is wrong with the patient first. This is the embolism. So that embolism code goes first. The adverse effect T code comes second. Now poisoning is just the opposite. The T code for the poisonings first, and then anything else wrong with the patient comes second. So just remember that. That'll help you out immensely for the exam. You did for number 13, you have the T codes, but you also need to put the alcohol abuse, which is secondary. Number 15, we have the S code first. This is an adverse effect, so once again, the T code comes secondary. And then we are adding those R codes. So let's go ahead and go to 21. Looks like you're good. You need a procedure. Number 2, procedures. Number 3, a couple T codes. Lots of procedures you're missing. So go through. I will attach the answers. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. But it looks like you're on the right track except with sequencing for that first part. Number 5, it's the pulmonary insufficiency first. Number 6, we should have the T code first. Then, again, your codes are close. Just we need to work on your sequencing. So if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know.